In Philippians chapter 3, you begin at verse 1. Paul begins to speak. He gets to verse 3 and he says, we are the circumcision. We worship God in spirit. Help me tonight. We worship God how? In spirit. You go to worship meetings and you are almost embarrassed. All the dances in immoral videos are on our pulpits. We claim to be bringing sounds from heaven, and yet we are bringing those sounds in the gyration of demonic spirits. So we have power, but we can't affect society. One or two cripples will walk out from a wheelchair, but our societies are still under the influence of darkness. Power is almost like a curse to this generation. In the days of Idahosa, it was a blessing to be a powerful man of God. Because if you found one man that had the power of God, an entire village can be liberated from witchcraft. But now men are anointed and they have used the anointing to build mansions, and now they have monies in their bank account, and the very nation in which they live has not felt the impact of the immortal spirit. But we gather in our numbers every week, every month. We are the circumcision. We worship in spirit. In spirit, not in the flesh. You can be angry with me, bro, but go and check our music videos. What's the difference? Girls are dancing. We are exhibiting Bentleys and all kinds of cars. What's the difference between our music videos and the music videos of the people who are singing for demonic spirits? What's the difference? A worship song is not just lyrics. A worship song is what a spirit pioneers. If it comes from an immortal spirit, then it will cause you to ascend into the courts of the great God. I don't sing a song because they say the man who sang it is a worship minister. What spirit is powering it? When you see a video that a man is all clothed in all kinds of things, he looks like what the world is. Our videos with Bentleys everywhere and girls dancing. What is the difference between that and the video of the man that you know that you know that I know that you know? What's the difference? We are the circumcision. So even within our ranks, Yahoo boys now are coming to spray pastors on the pulpit. Oh, I have told you, this year is that year that the great one is jealous for his church. He's jealous. Don't be surprised that you will see men of God die on the pulpit. This year God will visit men and warn them. I am jealous for my sheep. I am jealous for my sheep.